Look at him. He is beautiful. That guy's eating down my pond. See him every morning. It's the first time I've been able to get him. I'm going to walk around slowly. He's already looking at me, so see how long before he takes off. Think about getting a, because he's eating it. There he goes. Gonna launch. Just watch this guy fly. It's funny. Look at him. He's huge. I'm taking little baby steps. There he goes. Look at him. Whoa. There he goes. Mr. Heron. Blue Heron. Eating down my pond. He likes our pond. Man, it rained hard here last night. It is gloomy and doomy, but it's a beautiful day to be alive, so hope you have a great day. Hope you enjoyed the Heron.